Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So I just finished buying my grocery from Costco, and I got to buy all this stuff. So this is a 20 pieces of cups, like they have fruits inside. I like to buy those ones because of packing them to school. They are easy to go. Also, I bought some I have minced meat, I have some sausages. I just wanted to try Costco and see how much I can save, like when I buy things in large quantity. And one thing I loved about Costco is that everything comes either into in twos or more than that. So it seems a lot, but I think it's an added advantage because you get to buy large quantity of things. Like the salad, you can see it comes into two, so it helps you like make less trips to the stores. I think when you buy things in large quantities, and it was a good experience for me. So you can see everything comes in 2 or 6 or 4. Everything is in large quantities. Even the veggies are 2.5 kilos. The sauce, the mayo is like the big size. And if I compare the prices and buying from just the regular stores, I think for me I found it a little bit cheaper, because I was always like going. I used to do my grocery twice in a month, bi-weekly. So I would either go to Walmart, or I'll go to Northfields, or I'll go to Freshcos. So I would just I always liked to look around and see, because some things are cheap, like soaps and or detergents, they're cheap at Walmart. But when I buy them in other store, I would find them they are a bit expensive. If it's vegetables and meat, it's cheap in Chinese store, so I would go to Chinese store. So I always like divide my groceries like that. But this time I just bought everything at Costco. You can even see the body wash, they come in 4, the toilet spray, the ball cleaner, the toilet cleaner, everything comes in large quantity. And I got to buy a lot of things. I think, excited. I just end up putting things in my trolley and forgetting, madam, you have to pay for what you're picking. So when I went to the cashier and she counted, I was like, what? All that money? But I think it was worth it, because like when I look at it, I bought so many things, and this one will keep me going for quite some time without me walking into the groceries any soon. So I decided to clean my fridge and stuff everything. My fridge is not that big, but it is what it is. At least I just try and defeat everything. So I cleaned it. I use vinegar. I use some kitchen dish soap to clean it. So enjoy the videos, guys. Keep on subscribing. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you so much.